In the basket? Keep putting it in the basket? Oh, are you trying to do trick shots? Trying to throw off the defense with a head fake? Dunk it! Dunk it! So you gonna put it in the basket? No? Put it in the basket. Yeah. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! 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 She's standing up clapping. You gonna do it again? That's alright, we'll keep filming. Oh, no, leave your headband on, you little basketball player. What is that? Are you gonna dunk it? Make sure mom's watching? Hey, technical foul. Technical foul. No hanging on the rim. Are you palming it? You palming it? Who you think, you're Michael Jordan? Oh, the no look. The head fake. Gotta use your vertical. Gotta elevate. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Yeah! There's a little fart at the end there. Hey. Uh-oh. Jump ball. Jump ball. I'm going to shoot it. I'm going to shoot it. Go get the rebound. Go get the rebound. Get the rebound. You're laying on top of the ball. Where's the ball? Lisa, do you see this?
Yeah.
Are you all done with basketball?
Oh, no,
You gotta get the ball. Quite resourceful. Yeah, you can do it. Dunk. Yeah! Where'd it go? Oh no. Where did it go? There it is. There it is. Dribbling around, dribbling around. Oh. Distracted by the kitchen. Back at it. Where's the basket? It's pretty far away. You gonna shoot a three-pointer? Think about it. Super Bowl's more exciting. Super Bowl. You want to play football instead? Okay, well, if we're not going to shoot baskets anymore, if we're not going to shoot, you think you want to shoot baskets? You're looking at her headband. Playing a little soccer now. Anna Girdwood will be excited to see that. Little kick, little kick. Another little kick. All right, I think that's good.